Welcome to Gwangjang Market, one of Seoul's oldest and most famous traditional markets. Today, let's explore the delicious food and vibrant atmosphere waiting inside. As you enter the area filled with traditional fabric shops and souvenir stores, you may be surprised to discover a different side of Gwangjang Market. Alongside the historic market, you'll also find stylish Korean fashion and lifestyle brands. Stores like Satter House offer modern clothing, caps, bags, and accessories in a bright, contemporary space. This unique blend of tradition and modern design is one of the reasons Gwangjang Market continues to attract both locals and international visitors. Whether you're looking for a memorable souvenir or the latest Korean fashion, there's something here for everyone. Right next to Satter House, you'll find Kodak Gwangjang Market. Inspired by Kodak's long history of photography, this store offers more than just fashion. Outside the store, a large mirror has become a popular place for playful selfies, while nearby benches provide a comfortable spot to take a break after exploring the market. It's a small but enjoyable corner where shopping, photography, and relaxing all come together. Beyond the modern shops, Gwangjang Market returns to its traditional roots. Here, you'll find stores selling naturally dyed clothing, handmade bags, and traditional Korean crafts. Many of these items are carefully handcrafted, making them meaningful souvenirs that reflect Korea's rich culture and artistic heritage. If you're looking for something authentic to remember your trip, this is the perfect place to explore. As you continue through the market, you'll arrive at the famous food alley. One of Gwangjang Market's signature dishes is Korean beef yakko, a traditional delicacy enjoyed by many visitors. Right next door, the smell of freshly baked garlic bread fills the air and draws people in. From long-established local favorites to newer food stalls, the market offers a wonderful mix of traditional and modern flavors. Right in the middle of Gwangjang Market, you'll discover one of the most unique olive young stores in Korea. Unlike a typical cosmetics shop, the Gwangjang Market branch features a charming retro-inspired interior that blends perfectly with the market's historic atmosphere. Visitors can enjoy interactive experiences, including a personal color analysis to discover which colors suit them best. There's also a skin analysis station that recommends skincare products based on your skin condition. If you've always wanted to wear a hanbok, you can try one on at the in-store photo zone and capture a memorable picture. Another unique feature is the traditional bojagi gift wrapping service, inspired by Korea's beautiful wrapping culture. With its vintage design, fun experiences, and beauty shopping all in one place, this Oliveyang has become a favorite stop for both Korean shoppers and international travelers. If you're visiting Gwangjang Market, it's definitely worth stepping inside, even if you're not planning to buy anything. Before leaving, Oliveyang offers one last glimpse of how Korea's modern beauty culture blends with the charm of this historic market. Now, let's step back into the lively streets of Gwangjang Market and continue exploring the local atmosphere, hidden shops, and delicious food that make this place so special. We're back in the heart of Gwangjang Market. Every aisle is filled with colorful side dishes, sizzling street food, and the lively sounds of local vendors. Many visitors come here for famous dishes, but locals also stop by to buy fresh ingredients and homemade side dishes for everyday meals. No matter where you look, there's something delicious cooking nearby. The aromas, conversations, and constant movement make this market feel truly alive. Gwangjang Market is much more than a place to eat. As you continue exploring, you'll discover hidden cafes, traditional shops, and even modern brands blended into this historic marketplace. Let's keep walking and see what else we can find. After exploring the traditional market, let's end our journey with coffee. This is ILHO Coffee Bar, inspired by the oldest shop in Gwangjang Market, which first opened in 1961. Although the cafe is modern, it proudly preserves the history of the market while serving specialty coffee. As you continue walking through the market, you'll eventually arrive at another unique coffee destination. This is Starbucks Gwangjang Market, one of the most distinctive Starbucks stores in Korea. The interior features artwork inspired by Gwangjang Market, blending the market's history with contemporary design. From the large windows, you can enjoy a panoramic view of the bustling market below while sipping your coffee. One of the store's signature desserts is the Thread Baumkuchen cake, inspired by colorful spools of thread once sold in the nearby fabric market. If the weather is nice, head up to the rooftop on the third floor for another wonderful view of the market. As our journey comes to an end, Gwangjang Market leaves us with more than just delicious food. It's a place where over a century of history, local traditions, modern culture, and everyday life come together. Whether you're here for shopping, street food, coffee, or simply to explore, every visit offers something new to discover. Thank you for walking through Gwangjang Market with me. See you in the next Korea surprise.